All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is the TOF PM trading room. All right. I hope everyone is doing well. All right. So let's get right into it. All the links are on the chat. The contact details are on the chat for any assistance with your account and everything. The TD Markets website is also on the chat. All right. So I don't think we're going to have a busy day in terms of the analysis today. We've done most of the work during the course of the week. So we're just waiting for the markets to move. And the markets is moving, in fact. So in the morning, we went over silver. We went over gold, silver and gold. We went over NASDAQ, US 30. They are the same. All right. Not they are the same, but the analysis remains the same. This is how gold is looking at the moment. All right. We spoke about what we anticipate on gold. We also went over silver, what we're anticipating, NASDAQ, as well as US 30. All right. So they remain the same. We also looked at the yen pairs, AUD, GBP, JPY, NZD, JPY, CAD yen, Euro yen, dollar yen. All right. We went over those ones. So they are still the same, right? Nothing has changed. Just waiting for the setups. Just waiting for the setups. The other charts we spoke about during the course of the week, they are moving, like Euro USD. Euro USD, we spoke about Euro USD going down. So it is going down. It is going down from this high. It is going down from that high. All right. So this one is moving the way we forecast it will. The way we forecast it will, right? I'm not trading it. I'm not trading it, but there we go. Still going down. And GBP USD as well. It's also still going down here. All right. So the analysis is there. It's moving. We haven't had any changes in our analysis, right? It's just been pinpoint. The direction has been spot on. Direction has been spot on. So GBP USD also is moving down. It's moving down as well. I'm not trading it, but I'm sure you guys are gonna look for your setups. I'm sure you're gonna look for your setups. All right, so yeah, so Euro USD, GBP USD are still going down. So you're just gonna look for your setups. Watch out for your setups. And then we have let's see. Yeah, so Euro USD, I think it's still going to come back a little bit lower than where it is right now. Just a little bit lower than where it is right now. GBP USD also the same. All right. And at, at the same time, USD Swiss, right, seems like it's creating a bigger correction. Seems like it might come back here again before it goes up. So USD Swiss as well. Yeah, the dollar has been strong this week. That has been the theme for this week. Strong dollar, and then we'll take it from there. Strong dollar, we'll take it from there. All right. Let me see if there's anything I missed. Ugh, not that. All right, so looking at the oil price is also bullish. The oil price is also bullish. Let me check the US oil. Yeah, the oil price is also bullish, anticipating the oil markets to go a bit towards the upside. Bit to the upside. So we've completed that structure. We've got the structure here. Yeah, the oil markets is still bullish. This is Brent crude, right? This is UK oil. Yeah, the oil market is still bullish. Seems like we are headed back to it's 92. Yeah, seems like we headed back to 92 on the oil price. And then this is UK oil. US oil, the same thing. We're likely gonna see the same thing. Yeah, we're likely gonna see the same thing on the US oil. US oil, the same thing as well. So US oil headed back to around these zones here. Headed back to 87, around those zones. Yeah. So we're looking at a bullish US oil. Looking at a bullish US oil. We are looking at a bullish US oil. We are looking at a bullish US oil. Can you look at USD Swiss? USD Swiss is still bullish. I don't know if you have a specific question on it, but it's still bullish. Are you seeing something different there? Only if it breaks this low, then it's gonna turn bearish. Right, so if it breaks this low, that's when it's gonna turn bearish. As long as it's trading above this low, it's still bullish. The trend is still bullish. You see that? So it's still bullish. Still bullish. Yeah, it's still bullish. This is the impulse, so it's still creating a correction. All right. Cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. Cool stuff. Yeah, so there's pretty much nothing to do, guys. The markets are moving. We've done some updates. We have done some updates. So the commodities, nothing to do here. Indices, nothing to do. The yen pairs, there's nothing to do here. The market is moving. Yeah. So just waiting for your setups. Just waiting for your setups. Yeah. Just waiting for your setups. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing to do. So it's been a good week nonetheless. The direction has been accurate, has been spot on. It has been a good week. So yeah, so you guys will then, once you get your setups, then you know what to do. You know what to do. Yeah, unless I missed something. Let me see if there's something I missed. The commodities, all the crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. You know, they are still bullish. Still bullish. For the past couple of days, the momentum has been a little bit weak for the past couple of days, but everything's still bullish. So we could start a correction on Bitcoin, right? We could be getting a correction on Bitcoin before we continue pushing up. We could be getting that correction before we continue pushing up. The same with Ethereum. Ethereum seems like it wants to start that correction before it goes up. Yeah, so it seems like this is what we can anticipate. What we can anticipate. But yeah, everything is still bullish, still the same. All right, so let's keep an eye, guys. Let's keep an eye on these setups. You know, wait for them to develop, and then yeah, you've got plenty of setups to look at. Plenty of setups to look at. All right. Cool. Did I miss anything, guys? Is there anything that I missed? Yeah. Yeah, so that's your direction, guys. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. I don't think there's anything else, right? There's the direction. So just waiting for the setups. Just waiting for the setups. I don't think there's anything else we can look at. Yeah, let your winners run, right? Manage them and let your winners run. Let your winners run. So that's what you need to do right now. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think, yeah, for this session, I think we are gonna just, keep it short, and then we'll see at 3 if there's any changes. Right now, there's no changes. Everything is still in line. So let's see at 3 if there's any changes. If not, then yeah, then it has been a good week so far. All right. So we're just gonna keep it short here today in this session. I'll catch you guys later on. Have a good afternoon. Cheers. Enjoy, guys.